Peace and love, everybody. This is Young Nas from iGotOptions LLC, and in this video I want to talk about sticking to your original strategy. Every trader has a strategy, and every strategy has at least two things. One is a stop loss, and two is a profit target. Now this is what I have. Now this is what every trader should have when they're trading, because there's no guarantee that any trade that we do is going to go our way, right? So we have to have these two rules in place: stop losses and profit targets. Let's say your stock is going up, right? So it's at your profit target, and for some reason you're being greedy and you're not taking your profits when you should. You can't allow yourself to be emotional or let your greed take over, right? You have to stick to your strategy, stay disciplined, and just take profits, right? Even if the stock skyrockets without you, you have to stick to your original strategy, because there's a reason why you have your profit target and your stop loss set at a certain level. What if the stock that you're looking at is touching resistance, but you're being greedy and you're saying, oh, no, now I see it going up another $20, $30. But then you end up losing all that profit that you once had because it touched resistance and now it's going back down. Now how do you feel? You feel discouraged, you feel disappointed, and now you're thinking to yourself, why didn't I sell? Why didn't I sell? Because you weren't sticking to your strategy. Same thing with a stop loss. If you see a stock not going your way and it's at your stop loss level, you can't just say, oh wait, hold on, just give it some more time. This might end up recovering, right? Especially if you see it going down lower and it's past your stop loss at this point, right? If it's just past your stop loss and you're just not accepting the fact that you can take a loss on this trade, you have to eat your pride and accept the fact that you're going to lose on this trade. The goal of stop losses isn't to make you feel bad or anything, it's to protect your account from losses. Stop losses exist so that you can protect yourself from losing more money. It's important to stay disciplined, have a neutral mindset, not a biased mindset, and stick to your strategy.